Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now in this video I can show you how to enable an exclusive pixel feature, free Google One VPN. To do that, you just should open Settings. In the Settings, click Network and Internet. Be sure that you connected to the Wi-Fi or to the cellular network. Click VPN by Google. Scroll down. Click Use VPN. Wait for VPN connecting. It can take a while. Let's try to press Resume VPN now. So guys, as you can see, on current Wi-Fi network, VPN is connected. As you can see, it took a while, near the 2 minutes, but it works. As you can see here, we have the option of pause VPN on selected networks. For example, in the home network, you can not to use VPN or on your fork. You can exclude some apps, and it's a really awesome feature. So you can, for example, some apps don't work with VPN, right? And you can exclude these apps from VPN. For example, you can use any app with VPN, right? But Maps without, right? And in Maps you will see your normal current location and you know. And that's it. I hope guys this video was helpful for you. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below to support our channel. Bye. See you.